Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Revit Structure. We offer a comprehensive training program to help you master Revit structure for structural modeling, analysis, and documentation. We offer training in Revit structure in certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of Revit structure, empowering you with the skills needed for precise structural design, documentation, and collaboration in the building and construction industry. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Use Revit to make columns, beams, walls, slabs, and foundations for structures. Check loads precisely for strong structural designs in Revit structure. Create exact links between structural elements using Revit's tools. Include support and draw detailed structures easily with Revit. Work together well and share tasks using Revit's sharing options. Become an expert in making flexible structures with Revit's parametric modeling. Effortlessly generate detailed construction documents using Revit structure. Enroll in the Revit structure course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful tool for structural engineering and design. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.